Alam mo ba na kung wala kang paid media strategy, mas mabilis kang maiiwan ng competitors mo? Kasi, habang nag-aantay ka ng organic growth, sila kumikita na. Hi, I'm Ferlin. Welcome to Ad Alchemy. I help you grow your business and your skills through paid media. Here's the truth. Organic marketing is important, pero mabagal siya. Paid media is what gives businesses speed and consistency. Benefits ng paid media? Una, instant visibility. Kahit bagong brand ka, lalabas ka agad sa harap ng audience mo. Pangalawa, precision targeting. Hindi ka lang basta nagpapakita sa lahat. Lumalabas ka sa tamang tao, tamang oras, tamang lugar. Pangatlo, scalable results. Kung may working campaign ka, pwede mong dagdagan ng budget at dumoble o triple ang kita. Kaya kung nagtataka ka kung bakit may brands na mabilis sumikat, malamang may solid paid media strategy sila. So kung gusto mong hindi ka maiwan ng competitors mo, it's time to learn paid media. I'll share practical tips para masulit mo ang bawat piso ng ad spend mo. From BPO to paid media executive, this is Ad Alchemy by Ferlin. Let's go smarter with ads.